Vintage Magic Bullet. Packaging doesn't look so good. Missing some cardboard here, some mysterious stains. However, inside the box, behind multiple layers of cardboard and styrofoam, we have a complete Magic Bullet system. Appears to have never been used and is dated August 2004. This is the Magic Bullet MB-1001A. The name is Magic Bullet Food Preparing Machine. And it passed quality control in March of 2005, made in China, and has a patent stamped here. The exterior finish has minor marks and stuff on it. I'm not quite sure what from. Maybe just from sitting in the styrofoam for so long. We've got the Magic Bullet main blender part, some replacement gaskets for the blades. This is not a toy. We've got another blender container and little bits of styrofoam coming off everywhere. We've got 4 different color top cups and a variety of lids. It looks like this one might be for Parmesan cheese, and this one might be for salt and pepper. I don't know why there's holes in here. And this other attachment looks like a juicer to me. You cram your carrots and celery down there and blends and juices, I think. And another cap for some part, and little bits of styrofoam everywhere. Regardless, we're going to sell this. It'll be listed on eBay under Alex's Garage Sale and on alexsgarage-sale.com, but we will not be shipping it in this old school box with all this styrofoam. This is not a cost-effective way to ship this item, and instead we'll be repackaging it with some bubble wrap and other protective packing material in this much smaller, more cost-friendly shipping box, which will be about half the size of this old school styrofoam one, which back in 2004, eco-friendly, slim packaging was barely even a thing at that point. People were still using this giant styrofoam packing method to keep their stuff from breaking. And we'll check this out too. The original box came from homelandhousewares.com. We're going to check and see if they're still around.